Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, can you guess what it's gonna be? Where am I? Today we are getting this done. Homeschooling has started, my children's birthday is done, so I need to get this house done and clean, and we're starting in the bathroom, so you're gonna get all the motivation you need to go get your bathrooms clean. Also, another special thing about this video today, it is also a collaboration with Amy from Chick and Dumplings. She has a great channel. Her channel has cleaning motivation, recipes for a busy mom, and all kinds of the mom motivation that you find over on my channel. So if you like my channel, I think you will love Amy's channel. I will link her down below, so that way you can go check her out after my video, of course. She's gonna be doing the same type of video, so you can get all the motivation you need for today. I'm gonna let Amy introduce herself right now.
Hey y'all, my name is Amy and my channel is Chick and Dumplins. I am a working mom of 2 busy little boys. When I am not juggling their busy schedules, I enjoy creating videos on cleaning motivation, product reviews, and busy mom friendly recipes. And in my videos, I always have my shadow, Ace. I look forward to seeing you over at Chick and Dumplins.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here, and a special welcome if you guys are stopping over from Amy's channel. If you are brand new here, I would love it if you can subscribe if you like cleaning motivation and mommy vlogs and any type of recipes. That is what I offer over here on my channel. I'd love for you to be part of our family. Now let's just jump right into this and get you all your cleaning motivation you need for today. Okay guys, so the very first thing that I'm going to be doing to get this bathroom done, I'm getting all of these curtains off of my shower so that way I can get these clean. And I got a new inside curtain shower thing to be putting in here when I am done cleaning, and I will show you guys all of that. Alright, so now that the shower curtains are out of the way, now I'm going to use this time and I'm going to empty out the rest of the shower and get all of our shampoo and soaps out of here. Now that I got all of our soaps and shampoos out of our shelves, you can see how dirty and how much buildup is on these shelves. Now this is something that I have not done in a long time, so it definitely needs done today. Also, I'm going to show you how I clean the rim where my tub meets the wall of my tub. And I start off by rolling up some long sheets of toilet paper and folding them in half twice. Okay, so now that I folded up all of my toilet paper, now I'm going to be going in with this bleaching Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. And that is going to be my magic weapon here to clean the rim. So I just need to squirt this right into the crack where the tub meets the wall, and it just like a thin layer all the way across. Okay, so now this is where those toilet paper strands come in handy. I'm just going to push them up against the toilet bowl cleaner that I put onto the tub and just shove it right into where all the cracks are. So that way it's kind of suffocating the bleach into the tub and it will kill all the mold or mildew that is in here. Okay, so here is a really quick look of what it looks like when it is all in here and sitting. Now I'm just going to let this sit for about 20 minutes when I clean the rest of the bathroom, and we'll come back to this. Alright, moving on. I'm just coming over here to start cleaning off this window. I don't even know where I got this window cleaner. I think it was from the Dollar Tree, but don't quote me on that. But I am just going to clean my window off here, and I'm going to give the inside track of the window a deep clean too. I absolutely love these windows. These are such a lifesaver. I'm glad that they can open inward like this. The top one opens inward like this too, but I'm only going to show you the bottom one for now. Okay, moving right along, I am now going to be cleaning out my windowsills. They weren't actually terribly dirty, but some spots were pretty bad, like the corners, and they got a lot of like the dirt inside there. So I'm making sure to get this all cleaned out. And over here on the right side, I don't even know what that is. It looked like a tiny little nest, but we got that out of there. Once I was done wiping all this out with my wet Windex rag, now I just went in with some dry toilet paper and just gonna dry up this windowsill and get it finished being clean. Wow, this was so satisfying to see all done. Look how nice and clean this looks now. Hey, moving right along, I'm going to start cleaning off my toilet over here. I'm just going to be using what I always use, and I use some disinfectant wipes to clean everything off around it and clean all the germs off. This time I'm going to be using 2 of them, one for the most of the top part and then one for the bottom. Haven't already, please follow me over on Instagram at momingonthedaily2020. I'd love for you to follow me over there too. Alright, now we're almost done wiping down this toilet. Now I always make sure to clean down below where the toilet meets the floor because I have boys in this house and we all know how that is. Alright, now that I'm done wiping down the toilet, I'm going to be using my favorite Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. This scent smells so good, and I'm just going to set this in the toilet and let it sit while I clean the rest of the bathroom up. Alright, so now I'm going to grab all these curtains and all these clothes that were thrown in the bathroom and take them out of here and get them washed. And of course, here comes my little buddy. Don't mind the red lipstick kiss on his cheek. I couldn't help it. Alright, so now here's the before of my floors, and I want to get these all swept up. Okay, so I opted to use a vacuum this time to just sweep up in the bathroom, but usually I will grab a broom, but I decided to just clean it all up a lot faster with the vacuum this time. Okay, so now I'm just going to be using the snorkel hose thing on this vacuum to suck up all this hair that just fell out of the trash can over here in the corner and try to get as much dust that I can out of this corner of the wall. Okay, last part of the room, but I want to make sure that I vacuumed was over here by the toilet. Okay, so as you can tell, it is really hard to clean up behind my toilet here with the walls all around it. So using the vacuum to clean up behind here actually really helped a lot. I'm also doing a quick sweep all around the baseboards over here in the corner too. Alright, now that I got most of the bathroom done, now I'm coming back over here to finish off this tub. Now I'm just ripping off all those toilet paper strands and I'm going to throw these away and show you what's next. Okay, now that I pulled the strands away, I am just going to rinse out all around the tub with some warm water and we're going to clean the rest of this off with a rag. Of course, here's my little buddy again. You'll see him in the right hand corner. He's trying to splash some water like mommy did. Alright, now that I got that part of the tub clean, now I'm going in and making sure that I get these shelves finally clean. And then I'm also going in with my Bon Ami and doing another clean of the actual tub itself. These shelves are already looking so good. I can't wait to show you at the end. Alright, now I'm finishing up this tub. I am cleaning the actual tub part with Bon Ami. Now to see a real good before and after of how well Bon Ami cleans my tub, I will link a video above of my last video and it shows how good Bon Ami works. Alright, now we are done cleaning this tub. I am just rinsing it out one last time. And of course, here's my little buddy with me. I had to leave this clip in. It was just too cute. Alright guys, now we're finally here to clean out the sink. This is the very last thing on my to-do list, and we are getting this done. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole bathroom deep cleaning motivation. Also, please don't forget to stop over at Amy's channel, Chick and Dumplings. She is the sweetest, and I think that you'll love her channel just as much as I do. And once again, I left her channel down below, so please check it out. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.